In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the invert flash effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, come over to this new item icon over here, select it, select adjustment layer, hit OK, drag your adjustment layer above your clips over here, select it, right click, select speed and duration, and change the duration to 6 frames. Move your adjustment layer in between your clips. Next, come over to the Effects tab and search for the invert effect, and select invert under video effect and apply it to your adjustment layer. In Effects Control, toggle on the stopwatch next to blend with original and increase the value to 100. And move this keyframe close to the end, and select the stopwatch to add another keyframe at the start over here, and move 3 frames forward and change the value over here to 0. Highlight all keyframes, right click, and select Ease In. Select the last keyframe and move it to the end. And that's it guys on how to create the inverted flash effect in Premiere Pro.